A castle tour to remember. Last autumn, our class went on an unforgettable excursion to a medieval castle located just outside our city. It was called Castle Blackstone, and it looked like something from a fairy tale, with high stone towers, thick wooden gates, and a mysterious atmosphere that made us all feel like we had stepped back in time. When we arrived, a guide dressed in historical costume welcomed us and led us through the castle grounds. We explored ancient halls, climbed spiral staircases, and even visited the old dungeon. The most exciting part was standing on the top tower, where we could see the whole valley below. The guide told us fascinating stories about knights, kings, and battles that once took place there. We learned that the castle was over 600 years old. Inside, we saw antique furniture, armor, and paintings that made history feel alive. That trip made me appreciate the past more deeply. It was not just a school excursion, but a real journey through time that sparked my imagination and curiosity.